Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Holden Captiva 7 LS. Stock reference number 4478. The shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with park sensor type. Tailgate has a couple of small dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door 2 small dents. Right front door also 2 small dents. Right power door mirror indicator type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Got the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, electric handbrake type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.